Hey everyone, how's it going? Mike here from the Canadian Workshop. I'm taking a quick break from the rad relocate that we're working on to test out a new tool that just came in. I've tried it a little bit today and it works awesome. It's a NuMax Pneumatic nail remover. Now we work a lot with pallets and then pallet wood to make planter boxes and other various projects. And one of the things I have a hard time with pallets is having to remove all those nails. And they'll bend oftentimes, they'll break. It's just a pain to get them out. This tool makes it super easy and it's fun and it works well. I mean, I don't know how I managed to work without it before. So I just want to do a quick little demonstration here for you on how well this NuMax tool works. And if you want to pick one up, I'll leave a link down in the description below. So what I'm going to do here is take some old rags and I'm going to put them in the bottom of this bucket here. And take one of these pieces of pallet wood, put it over top of the bucket. Now, I'm going to do a video here shortly on a quick tip on how to modify this to make it even safer. But you just set the tool over top of the nail, pull the trigger, and it's gone. So I'll do this one here again. Put the tool over top of the nail, it's gone. Get you zoomed in here. So super easy. Once again, these two nails here, over top, gone, and gone. They're out of the board. So it's just that easy. I mean, how long would it take to get the nails out of this by hand? Sometimes they'll stick in there a little bit, but the pull out by hand. So that's it. There's two more here. Set them up on the bucket. Put the tool over top. Gone. And gone. Now this tool runs on 75 to 115 PSI. I've got it on the low end right now. And it is a little bit of a thicker board, so I might ramp it up just to like 80 or 85 PSI. I did try it on 115 PSI and it shot the nail through my garage and, you know, hit a propane tank and yeah, so you adjust your pressure accordingly. But this tool here is the cat's meow. I mean, this is a great tool. It's going to make disassembling pallets much faster, easier, and fun. So I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to pick one up. And thanks a lot for watching my videos again. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any upcoming videos. We'll see you on the next one.